Light and heavy closed division to the lineup area. Light and heavy closed to the lineup area. 370 flathead division to the pre-grid area. 370 flathead division to the pre-grid area. The starting grid for your heavy animals / light animal division heat race. On the poles, the B1 and Expecto. Outside the 0, Roger Lowry. Row 2, the 11 of Jeff Lynn, the 25 of Matt Klein. Row 3, the 17 of Jim Crow. Rounding out the field in the 20, representing the light animals division, the 20 of Draven Bowman. In your heavy animals division, heat race winner, the 11 of Jeff Lynn. And representing the light animal division, the 20 is Draven Bowman. Up next will be the heat race for your light and heavy closed division, followed by the 370 flathead. 370 flathead division to the lineup.